Let's work. Yo, it's go time, showtime, never backing down time. One shot, yo, make it count, yo. Crunch time, shine time, make this moment my time. Get a grip, yo, ready, set, go. We bring the thunder. Boom, boom, bring the thunder. Boom, boom, boom. Let's work. Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, Colton. What do you got today? What do you think's in the box?
Monster truck.
You think it's a monster truck?
Yeah.
What's on your shirt?
Huh?
What's on your shirt? Do you like monster trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you ready to open it up?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, open it up.
What the heck?
What is it?
What in the world?
Dude, what is that?
What's this?
What is it?
Can we drive it? Yeah.
I don't know.
Can we
Is it
drive
pretty big? What is it?
A big, huge monster truck.
Yeah, do you think it's gonna go fast?
Yes. I think he can jump too.
Should we open it up and then see what it does?
Yes. Go! Open it. Can you open it up, Dada?
All right, Colton, here it is. You got it all powered up and stuff? You got batteries in it?
Yeah.
All right, what are you gonna do? You gonna drive it into the box?
Yes.
All right, let's see what it does. Oh, man, that thing's pretty quick, huh? You gonna run the box over?
Yes. I will actually.
Ooh, I don't know. Might be pretty, I don't know, hopefully it doesn't break.
No.
You don't want to break your new toy. Is it heavy? Hey, maybe you can, hey, come here. Maybe you can drive it off the, stairs though.
Oh. Drive it off the stairs?
Yeah.
Yay!
Wait.
Yay!
Oh, that's pretty cool, huh?
Maybe this thing is fast.
It's pretty quick, huh?
Jump over something? Maybe a ramp or something.
A ramp? I don't know. Maybe we'll have to build a ramp. I don't know. Why don't you just try to go back and forth a few times? Maybe we'll build a ramp and then show everybody later. Try to like crash into the box.
Huh?
Let's crash into the box. Whoa. Are you smashing it
I'm
good?
gonna see if I can crash over me.
You ever see if it, you want me to do it? I'll see if we can run you over.
Yeah.
I think you gotta.
Do the pack. Make it, Daddy. I tell you what to do. Alright, go. Go front.
All right, you ready?
Go back. Now I do it. I'm gonna see if it can run over me. Go!
I don't know. It keeps hitting your shoe. I think you need to run over your body. Try to run over your body.
No,
Here, wait. Actually, do the front. There, try it like this. Keep. Maybe it needs. Might need to be charged. Go. Whoa.
Did that crash?
I don't know.
Boy, that crashed it.
Yeah, let's not. Don't break the door. Mommy will be mad. All right. Is this good? Is it good? Let's take a. You think we take a break for a little bit and then show later when we build a ramp or something? Yeah, we can show. We can show a ramp later.
No.
Tell everybody bye.
Bye. I'm gonna play with my new monster truck.